Adding work to your new Google site. You can see I'm on the 3rd grade page, so you're going to be on the page that you want. And then you can see some examples of added work here. In order to insert work, you can come over here to insert and you've got several options. Perhaps one of the most common is to insert straight from your Google Drive. So everything in your Google Drive will pop up over here. Notice that all students that are enrolled in a Google Classroom will have a classroom folder full of all of their classes and their work that they've uploaded. So I can go to this class and it will have everything that I've done for that class. I can pick my favorite work to add and reflect on. Simply click Insert, and then it's going to pull it over. You can then resize and even add a text box next to the work in order to reflect. Note that when the text box comes in, you can simply drag by hovering over and then pulling this up. It's important to note, as stated at the top of this page, that anything that you add from Google Drive, if it's not shared, others won't be able to see it. So I can see this document because I'm the owner of it. If I were to share this with somebody else once I publish, they would not be able to see it. So it's important to go in and share that as anyone in Northwest or anyone with the link can view. To get rid of a particular section, I could click here and delete an item, or I could delete an entire section. Okay, and then some other options for inserting work. I could go in and I could actually upload an image I've saved to my computer, or go to Images, and then you've got some options. I could search the web, or I could go straight from Google Drive. Many students will use the camera app in order to take a picture of hard copy work, and then they will upload it into their Google site. The last option here is to embed. If you've got a Padlet wall, Piktochart, any of the outside tools that you've used, you can paste the URL here or an embed code and insert it directly into your site. I can choose whole page or a preview. The whole page is going to actually embed the work. And now you can see I will have an active Padlet so people can go in and look at it directly on the site. It's important when you add work that there's a reason why you added it. So I would encourage you to look at the STEM questions here in order to reflect. What was the assignment in your own words? What were you challenged to do? What are you most proud of? What's something you could work on? You don't have to answer all these questions, but just think about why this project means something to you. Maybe if you were challenged by it, if you've got a goal for next time, anything like that.